It is Panda polish time. I have a really good update, so let's just get right into this. So the first update we'll talk about is the Mauve Over, and is it Mauve Over? No, it's On the Mauve. Anyway, On the Mauve by Essie. So I needed to use this 9 times, and I did use it 9 times. And if I wouldn't talk with my hands, and if I didn't shake this around, I would be able to show you where I am. But I am currently around the E, so I am going to be able to make a mark after this settles, and then we can see how much progress I've made. But I use this 9 times. I love this color so much. And these are nail polishes that you would be able to finish really quickly because you do need to use like 3 coats of it to get like a really nice like bold color. So this was really fun, and I am excited to roll it out and hopefully bring in a new nail polish. And the next item is actually the Nail Growth Optimizer. So I only needed to use this 2 times, but I did use it like 7 times. So instead of updating you guys when I just finished my 2 uses on this and then having to make a video and then having to make another video very soon because I hit the like On the Mauve goal, like I just wanted to do one update and I wanted to get a little bit more use out of this. Now, it's funny, I've used this so many times and you can't even tell. Like you can't even make a solid marking on here. So I'm really hoping that the next time it gets rolled in, I'm able to make a marking. But we're gonna roll 2 new nail products in, which I'm very excited about. Now, here's the thing. I'm gonna be getting my nails done for my birthday. So I know for about a week or 2, I'm not gonna be wearing like these products on my nails. And then in December, I like to get my nails done around Christmas. So there's going to be a few days there where I'm not going to be using these polishes. So I'm not sure going forward if I'm going to have one more update before the end of the year or if I'm going to have 2. I think it's really going to depend on which products we pull and what we're going to be doing moving forward. So these are all of my nail products. So let's see what gets chosen for this rotation. I would absolutely love to finish another nail polish, but we're gonna see whatever gets pulled and we're gonna go from there. Coral Reef. Okay, Coral Reef from Sally Hansen, this beautiful pink, which will more than likely be worn on my toenails because it's a little bright for October, but Coral Reef. And what's the second? Yes, we've already said we are working on Coral Reef. So let's move on from Coral Reef. Pick another one, please. Are you kidding me? Okay, so it chose Rimmel London Red Rock. The reason why I said, are you kidding me, is because these 2 polishes here are the oldest in my little collection. And I told myself if either of these ever get rolled in this year, that my goal would be to finish them. And they are both rolled in here. So now I'm trying to make the hard decision of should I just keep them in here until the end of the year so I can do my best to finish them, or do I maybe use the one that has less nail polish in here and just set a usage goal for the other one? I am not sure. Like, the thing is, I can use this for my toes for the remainder of the year. No problem. And I could use this on my nails for the end of the year because it's red. Like October, November, December, 3 months with red, I would be fine because I am going to be switching it up with getting my nails done at the spa. So I'm about halfway through Red Rock, as you can see. And I'm about halfway done Coral Reef. And these are 2 that I would love to finish. So I think I'm going to go ahead and say that I'm going to keep these in here until they're finished. Now, if for whatever reason I finish Coral Reef first, then I will do an update and we will roll in a new nail polish. If I finish Red Rock first, then I will roll in a new polish. I think that's going to be the best, because these are 2 that I would really love to roll out of my nail polish collection, and then I can start fresh, which is what I really want. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I really have no idea when I'll be back on here to update you guys on anything, it may be at the end of December just to show you how far I got with them. It could be in November to say that I finished one. I know for sure I need to do a pedicure soon, and I mean, I'm not going to get my nails done for like another week or two, so I can use this for sure because my nails could use a good painting. So we're gonna see, and I'm not gonna put any pressure on myself to finish them. If I finish them, I finish them. If not, then I will go into next year with them, and at least I will have good usage on them. So here's a good look at what I'm gonna be wearing for the rest of the year. So here's gonna be my pedicure color. And then this will be my manicure color. So wish me luck. Let me know in the comments down below if you think I'm gonna be able to finish one, both. Let me know which one you think I'm going to be able to finish. Let me know if you think I should have done a usage goal. But because these were the two that I've been wanting to finish, I think it just makes sense to put them in here for the rest of the year, and we can go from there. So fingers crossed. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys are working on a nail polish, or what nail color do you like to wear in October. And I will see you probably in December for an update. Bye.